How to cook frozen pizza in the Omnia Stovetop oven. Today, I show you two smart methods. You need a frozen pizza. The Omnia Stovetop oven's set. And preferably 2 baking trays. I will show you why. The pizza is larger than the Omnia tray, so we cut it to size. First, remove the center. Keep that piece. Now trim the outer edge. Place baking paper on the tray, pizza on the tray. Second tray on top. Add the offcuts. Preheat to 220 degrees Celsius. Start on high flame. When temperature is reached, lower to medium-high. Bake for about 8 minutes. Crispy result. Top and bottom both baked well. But what if you want more than one pizza? Let me show you something better. 3 defrosted pizzas. Roll them up tightly. Slice into thick rolls. Place them in a silicone mold or directly into the aluminum pan. To prevent burning on the outer edge, use a flame distributor. Preheat the Omnia to 220 degrees. Place the pizza rolls inside. Bake 15 minutes with the flame distributor. Remove the distributor. Return the Omnia to high flame. Bake 5 more minutes for color. Golden, crispy, evenly baked. Enjoy your pizza. See you in the next episode of Cooking on the Square Meter. Ma.